Alright, we're going to see the birdies. There's all kinds of animals here. Cats, dogs, birds, lizards. Oh wow, where are you going? One of them's really nice. One of them's really mean. I don't know which is which. This guy's kind of looking at me sideways, so he might be the... Oh, look at that, he's trying to bite me. You are not very nice. What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Nothing. What is that? Looks like a big piece of poop. Oh, I think it's a bone. Just hanging out right now. Oh, here comes the sun. There it is. It's nice. I forget the names. One of them's named Tupac. The other one's just... I don't think it's Biggie. I know that's what you're thinking. Oh, look at this guy. They're nice birds, but kind of dickheads, you know? Alright, I'm gonna try to feed them a peanut. They know I have it too. They come right over. It's like in my back hand, so... Anybody want a peanut? Andre the Giant. Coming. There you go. Yeah, there you go. No, he's just gonna try to take it. Oh God, look what I done. I done started some beef. Hey, I got one for you right here. Come here. Nope, you're just gonna bitch slap him until he gives you this. Jax on a jacuzzi. Come here. Get your... Yeah, that's right. Get your ass over here. This is the mean one right here. Come on. Oh, I dropped it. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. Take it. Don't bite me now. Just take it. Yeah, let me put it in your bowl for you. You know what? You gonna look at me sideways like that? I ain't gonna give it to you. I'm gonna get one of you. There you go. Nice. Look how they just get the nut out of it and they just drop the rest of it. I'm gonna try this one more time. I got one peanut left. If you ain't taking it, I'm giving it to... Look at me like that again. Look at me like that again and see what happens. Man, I tell you, these birds are so disrespectful. Come on. Alright. You done? I gave you a chance. The last peanut. You get it now. There you go. Nice. Yeah, that looks good, huh? You missed out, buddy. You missed out, bucko. Maybe you'll learn some respect. Oh! Oh, there you go. Did you see that? Of course they would. Look at them. Alright, if you're not from down here, or if you don't know, if you've never been down here, if you're from down here, you're going to be like, this isn't going to interest you. But there's these little lizards everywhere, and they run everywhere, and they're really fast. So I'm gonna try to get one on camera for you. They're everywhere. Oh, there he is. Look at. There's one right there. Let's see if I can get you. Oh, nope. Here he goes. I used to be like, when I first came down here the first time, I was like, what the, all these fucking lizards running everywhere. What the hell is this? They're not that big. Some of them are pretty big, but they're only about that size.